So hello guys, welcome back. Previously we have seen about how to create a method in Java and how to call those method. We have created a normal add method to just return something, the addition, and we are going to print that. In this video we will create several method, okay, and we'll create a program scanner sc, okay. Because I want to take user input, I will just create a scanner object. So if you haven't watched my scanner video, just watch it out so that you will understand how to take user input, and then you can continue. You have scanner sc is equals to new scanner system.in. I will say here I will create a separate method here, public static void, because we are not returning anything here. We will say void here, and I will say public static void, and we'll say user input. This method name is user input, and I will create this scanner not here because otherwise it will not recognize it. I will declare it this your scanner, okay, object at the top. So now I can use it. Just I want to write static in front of it so that I can use it here, okay. And now we'll say that enter a number, okay, and this is print. Now I will just create some more uh, this whatever you can say variables, okay. And I will say that int a is equals to sc dot next int. So we are asking for a number. Again I will say that enter another number, and here I will say that int b, which is my another number, sc dot next int, which means that I am asking for a number and storing that number in variable a. Again I'm asking for another number and storing that value in variable b. So now I have those things. Now what I will say is just show me sys out, and I will say add. I will say add a and b. So this function will return us a number, and that number what we are doing is just printing that. So we can create more methods, okay. Public static int, and I will say sub, which means subtract. So it will subtract a and b. So int a, int b, I have written the return type as int, as you can see here. Just the reason is we are returning, I want to return a minus b, and here also I am printing sub, which means subtract a and b. And now I will just do only one method. I will say user input, and I will run the program. So in my main method I have only user input. So how your program is running is just it will go to your user input and it will say that enter a number. So I will enter 5 here, enter another number, okay. So I will enter 3 here. So you can see it will return me the sum as add. First it will add it 5 and 3, which is 8, and then it will subtract, which is 2, and it will show me. To make that more clear, I will just write here addition, and will say addition plus add, and here I will say subtraction as this sub, which means this sub method, which will give us what is the subtraction. Now I will create two more methods, as you can suggest, which is the multiplication. So multiplication of int a and b. So here what I'm going to return is a times b. So that's really simple. What we are doing is nothing but just returning those stuff. And I will say public static int and division. So I will say I'm again taking two parameters. These are called as parameters. Whatever I am taking here inside my brackets, which I will say return a divided by b, okay. And I will just go here. I will say multiplication, or maybe I can say product, is nothing but multiply these both number. So I am again calling this method, which is my multiplication method, and at the end I will call my division method. Division is equals to plus div, which means we are dividing, and inside that again I will pass my a and b, whatever I am getting. So I have user input here. I will run my code. So I have created, as you can see, separate method for each of the following function. Just before that I will say that here print, only print, not print ln. I will clear the terminal, I will run that again, and it will ask me for a number. I will write 10 here, I will write 2 here, and you can see it will give me the addition, which is correct. Okay, subtraction again it is correct, product is correct, and the division is also correct, which means these methods, whatever I am doing here, are working. So I don't have to write my logic, this is my logic, again and again. I can just call this add method wherever I want. So that's why your methods are so useful and so powerful that everybody use them in their program. We will be using them in the later videos. So for now, this completes your how to just create some method and how to call those method. Okay, so thanks for watching this video.